You guys, I'm so excited to show you what I ordered from SHEIN. So that's item number 1. And then look how cute it is. Oh my god, I cannot wait to try it on. Sorry about my son is just crying. And this is so cute. And this is like, you know, the Tasbih counter. So basically it's like when I'm saying astaghfirullah, or like alhamdulillah, subhanallah, wa la ilaha illallah, I use this to count. And then look at that hijab magnet that I ordered. It's so cute. I cannot wait to use this, inshallah. Excuse me the noise because my toddler is with me right now at the moment. He's just playing around. So I'm just gonna open what I got. So let's do a little bit of unboxing together. Oh my god, I cannot wait to use this. Look how cute it is. It's so pink and cute. Lately, I'm obsessed with the color pink. I don't know why. I used to hate pink, but lately I am so obsessed with pink. So let's just open it and see how it looks. Wow, it's so cute. Oh my god, I cannot wait to try it, inshallah. Look how cute that is. I got a scissor. Some of them is hard to open up. So I was like, just use a scissor for it. Yeah, I don't know what is going on in here. Look how cute that is. Oh my god, it is so cute. So this is like hijab pin that I'm going to be using for my hijabs. It is so cute. I don't know if you guys can see it. It comes with a lot of different colors. And the colors are fantastic. I like it, in my opinion. Oh my god, I gotta show it to you. Look how cute that is. Definitely I'm going to be using this a lot. And plus it's the Ramadan season, inshallah. So I'm just going to use this a lot. Definitely this and this one to make my tasbih, inshallah, my dhikr. Oh my god, it's so cute. Look at that. I just love the packaging of this. It is so cute. Yay! I'm just going to show you. So like I showed you already, but I'm just going to show you one more time. So these are the hijab pin that I ordered. Those are the hijab pin that I ordered. And then this is for the hijab as well too. It is so cute. Oh my god, this is so cute. And this is the hijab magnet that I ordered as well too. And then I'm just obsessed with this pink tasbih thingy. I am so obsessed. And look at these earrings. Oh my god. And look at this tasbih. It's so cute. Let me show you how it looks. It is so cute. And let's see this one together. Look how cute that is. You can just close it like that, or you can just open it like this. It is so cute. Oh my god. Look how cute that is. I am obsessed with white in general. White and gold. Oh my god, this is so cute. I'm just gonna definitely be using this a lot this year. This one, this one, this one, and then the tasbih that I showed you. I'm gonna be using this a lot lately, inshallah. So yeah, this is my little small haul from SHEIN.